Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, I want to give you here an update on Bitcoin, and we start with the weekly chart. Yeah guys, we are here at the make it or break it price level right now. We could see here a continuation of the squeeze for Bitcoin or see a rejection, guys. So I give you here my prediction based on the chart. Everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yo guys, for everybody who invested here in Bitcoin before 2020, you can be very happy because you have a very green number in your portfolios. But every time when Bitcoin is ripping up, we have to acknowledge that, of course, also pullback is part of the game. And I can say that for the beginning that I usually cover here a lot of short squeeze stocks on my channel. This is my main purpose, of course, to educate you in trading. That's why I show you here some chart techniques for Bitcoin. Very simple. I don't overload you here with too much drawings. But as I said, normally I focus here on short squeeze assets or especially short squeeze stocks. So when we see the price action here for Bitcoin, we start with the weekly chart. We can see that every time when Bitcoin starts to pump here, we have a massive price increasement. In that case here from 2020 to 2021, we had 1,500%. This is incredible, guys. But that was also here a massive bull run in the overall market. That's why I say, in my opinion, Bitcoin is just moving side by side with the other assets. So when you see that the whole stock market was squeezing in 2020, 2021 as well, and we had there much bigger squeezes than just 1,500% up. But this is, of course, an incredible squeeze. I just want to show you that Bitcoin is moving along with the market. Now we are trading here in a very strong bull market. So it is just a matter of time until the market is overheated and we will see some pullbacks. And that is the beginning when Bitcoin will start to correct. And of course, I keep you here updated on my channel when the market turns bearish. I don't have yet bearish signals, but I just want to say that we're here at the edge of a make it or break it price level, not only for Bitcoin, also for a lot of other assets here as well. And of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. I just talk here about the chart. Blah, 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 guys. So let's start into the chart. I show you my drawings. As I said, this time I show you a very simplified chart here for Bitcoin. We have this overall trend channel pattern here in the weekly chart here by use here TradingView, guys. So we can see that Bitcoin has a very strong algo support here at the bottom of this trend channel. Last time when we left this trend channel here with a fake out, every time when we see here, by the way, fake outs, I show you that here in detail, guys. This is the moment where you have to buy the dip. You have to decide by yourself. I cannot give any financial advices, but every time when we squeeze out of this trend channel here to the downside, or let's say drop out of the trend channel here, that is the moment where the news telling you, Bitcoin will crash to zero and don't buy, and this is the worst asset ever. This is the moment where the market makers step in, buy the dip, and that is the time when you see short squeezes like that. We had that here back in March 2020. Everybody knows what happened here in March, guys. Yeah, the so-called Corona pandemic. Yeah, market shakeout, boom. The reaction was a massive short squeeze, and then again the next time we had that here in November 2022. Don't forget, November 2021, the overall stock market, bear market started, guys, yeah, for stocks. And you can see the same for Bitcoin. As soon as the stock market went bearish, also Bitcoin dropped. That's why I say Bitcoin is moving along with the market. So when the market turns bearish, Bitcoin also will turn bearish. And you can see that we lost here from the peak from 2021 until the bottom was in minus 77%. Let's very quick recap here before we talk about the up price targets here. Let's make a quick recap. What does that happen if we would lose now minus 77% from the actual price? This is here, or let's say from the top. So if we would lose 77%, guys, we would end up somewhere here at the $24,000 range. And I'm very honest with you guys. Yeah, I'm not here to scare you and I'm not here to create FOMO. I just give you my honest opinion based on the chart, and I think that for now the Bitcoin support is around $30,000, and I could imagine that we retest this price level here sooner or later again. I know you don't want to hear that, but for now we are bullish. But as I said, we are here at the edge to see a make it or break it price level. How do I know that? I show you that now here with my chart techniques. Before we continue, guys, yeah, if you're also interested in stock trading, as I said, I talk here a lot of times about short squeeze stocks, and not only I talk about them, I try to predict them. I just give you here now a quick summary what happened here in the last trading days of 2024. I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks, guys. Yeah, very popular. These are my hot stocks here. So tickers with high squeeze potential where I expect a squeeze to happen very, very soon. You can see here my members made here huge gains on those tickers. Yeah, there is no guarantee, of course. Nobody can give you any guarantee, but I predicted here short squeezes between 107% and 480% just in the last 10 trading days of 2024. And of course, I assume that we just continue to rip in 2025. Even if the market is in a correction mode, when I talk about short squeeze stocks, I'm more or less independent from the market situation. I always give my best to predict short squeezes here, guys. And I also give my best in this video to predict the Bitcoin price goals. If you also want to see those short squeeze stocks, guys, we have here a fast growing community. It's called the Patreon full package membership here. We get here every day new members, guys. Yeah, we are very, very fast growing. And if you also want to join our community and see my hidden short squeeze stocks and all this other member content here, you can click the info icon in the corner to get access to the Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you're a crypto trader or stock trader or whatever, guys. Everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you're beginner or advanced trader, guys. So what is my price goal for Bitcoin, guys? So I think Bitcoin has the potential, if this bull run is continuing, does continue for the next days, then we will see here price targets between $124,000 and $144,000. This is not ultra high, this is just a realistic price goal, but as I said, we are here at the make it or break it price level, guys. Why do I think that? So when we make here some quick recap, what happened here, we had this massive bull run here from 2022 to March 2024 before we had the pullback. Yes, we are still, of course, squeezing, but we have to see where the stock showed its first, let's call it signs of weakness. Yeah, and we had here the bottom, the top line of this trend channel had rejected Bitcoin here back in 2021 April, back in 2021 November. That's why I say that here was a big market correction. You could even call it a market crash, and the signs of weakness already started here in April. The market makers generated again here some FOMO, and then a lot of people lost their money. And I think, guys, we are here at the edge of seeing this again. This time the squeeze will go maybe a little bit higher, but we are here at the edge, guys. And why do I think that? So let's make a very easy and quick Fibonacci retracement and inverted retracement here based on the last move. That was the total move before we had this pullback here. And when I make here an inverted retracement, guys, yeah, when I see this top and this bottom here, nothing special. I don't even use the details. You can see that we're sitting exactly here, exactly on the dot at the 1618 retracement, guys. Yeah, exactly on the dot. If you don't know what that is, guys, I also have here on Patreon Fibonacci tutorials where I explain you the details here, that you know how to use that tool for your trades. Then, guys, let's make the next example here. This move here. Yeah, we had this total move here back from 2020 to April 2021. I do exactly the same. This is no magic, guys. Everything is based on algos. And when we see that, yeah, this top here and this bottom, guess what? We ending up again here at $102,000. And when we zoom in, we can see how Bitcoin is fighting now here to break this price level. And we cannot manage it because we never closed until now with a weekly full candle body above this price level. However, guys, if we break this price level here, let's say $110,000, then I have no doubt, really no doubt, this is not financial advice, but I'm very sure we will go back here to higher prices than then. I think here between $124 and $144 could be the final time that this bull run is over before we see here a pullback, guys, back in this trend channel pattern. This is what I think and what should happen or could happen here next to Bitcoin. Make your own due diligence. As I said, I cannot give you financial advice, but the chart is not lying. I don't also care what the news are telling you here. This is simply what the chart is telling me. And when Bitcoin will have its next pullback, I, of course, will also invest in this asset here. So that's why I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. Overall, I'm, of course, bullish. We can see this massive bull run here is still unstoppable here since 2018, or the breakout happened here in 2017. And, of course, big institutions are invested here. So this is a good asset here for the future. Okay, guys, that was my update on Bitcoin. If you want to copy the price levels here or the chart pattern, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program that I use for all my videos and, of course, for all my personal trades. I can offer you here a discount link if you want to get TradingView for the premium tier. Then you can click here the info icon in the corner to get access to this $15 discount link. Yeah, my friends, that was the update on Bitcoin. If this was helpful and if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate your time, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.